trigger.
Okay, what are you doing right now?
Not pulling the trigger right now.
What's your job?
Doing the trigger.
Which is to do what?
To get it out.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, man!
Here, we can take this off now.
Sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry, Daddy. Is it done? Is it done? Is it done?
Hey, hey, here.
Haley, look, Daddy, look what it did.
Okay, well,
It's supposed to be like that.
put it in.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Squeeze the trigger.
Is it done?
No, it's not on the nut properly, Carter. Whoa, 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 whoa! It's not on the nut properly.
You mean like that?
Here, now try.
Is it done?
I don't know, is it?
How's that?
Did the clamp come off?
What?
Did you get the clamp off?
This won't come on for
Don't lose the socket.
Oh man. I don't think I lost the socket.
Okay, well, pick it up. Now you got to pull the muffler off.
Okay. What can I do? I'll try and get.
You don't need to worry about the clamp, Carter. You got to get the muffler off.
Oh, I got the muffler.
Awesome. Bring it into the barn. Okay.
Want me to